What's going on? I'm Dr. Washington, Weed Stock Investor. I'm going to bring you guys to Cresco Labs. Now, for those of you invested in marijuana stocks, Cresco Labs is definitely something you want to take a look at. Now, Cresco Labs goes by the stock ticker CRLBF. So put that on your watch list. Now, Cresco Labs just went public in December. Their IPO just came out. They started off at $4.75. They're now at $11.12 as of today. I'm going to bring you guys on why you should invest in Cresco Labs. To me, they are definitely a buy. Now, I want you guys to invest at your own risk and do your own research. However, I want to teach you guys on how to do your own research with Cresco Labs and marijuana stocks. This is Dr. Washington. So now let's go into. Now, who are they? Cresco Labs. Now, their headquarters is in Chicago, Illinois. Cresco is one of the nation's leading multi-state cannabis company operating across medical and adult use marijuana markets. Cresco Labs is involved throughout the seed to sale process, starting with state-of-the-art cultivation facilities. Now, understand this. They're operating out of seven states now. There's 7 states operational, 10 production facilities, and 16 retail locations. Now, they just got the okay. Now, this is going to say Cresco Labs received approval to enter the Michigan market. Cresco enters the Florida market. Will have access to 65% of their medical marijuana. Understand this. So now, what are they doing? Illinois is the 5th largest state far as population. Florida is the 3rd largest state far as population. And Michigan is the 10th largest state. This means a lot of money. They're going to be reaching a lot of money. They're already in 7 states. They're going into Michigan. Understand this. J.B. Pritzker just filed to legalize recreational marijuana in Illinois. Michigan just legalized recreational marijuana in Michigan, Florida as well. So they stand to make a lot of money. They're at $11.12 now. You start off at $4.75. Within 3 months, boom, they're already at $11.12. I predict for this stock that for the next 4 or 5 months that they teeter around $10.50 to $12. Well, maybe about $10.30 to $12 for the next 3 or 4 months. Then they're just going to rise. By January 2020, I predict that they go up to at least $20. I don't see them partnering with anybody. I think they're too big. I think that they're going to stay independent and that they'll just keep growing. I think they're going to go into other states and also understand this, that Trump is vowed to legalize marijuana on a federal level. That's why they're over-counter stock right now. Once Trump legalizes it federally, Illinois legalizes it, Michigan, Florida, this stock would do very well. Now, something I want you guys to do is, when you're doing your own research, go to their website, find out about their product. Now, I can tell you this, in Illinois, people swear by their product. Everyone loves it. This is a little bit about them. Now, setting the standards of professional cannabis. Areas of expertise: cultivation, manufacturing, and retail. State-of-the-art equipment. This is some of the states they're in as of now. This is their headquarters. You can call them, get on their email list. California. Look at the states they're in. They're positioning themselves to grow. I predict in another 5 years they'll be in all 50 states. Also, get to know their brands. This is their brands here. What they sell. They have edibles, which are excellent. So once you're researching these companies, Get to know them. Find out about them. Also, go to the Yahoo message boards. Find out what other people are saying. All you have to do is Google whatever marijuana stock that you're looking for, Yahoo message board. You'll see other people who invested, on what they think of their investment, when they invested, how much they invested. You'll get them posting other articles. You always want to get the jump on other marijuana stocks, the news on is there any scandals, is there anything good, bad about this stock. I also want you guys to check out Now This Weed on Facebook. This is a good way to get the jump on a lot of information while you browse your social media. Now This Weed is really brought out different states that's legalizing marijuana, different companies that stand to benefit from marijuana, some of the different products of marijuana. This is a good way to get the jump on a lot of different, to stay informed while you search your social media every day. This will bring you different information. Also, something else I want to tell you. In Illinois, Cresco Labs, they vowed to stop the opioid issue. So, and every other state is going to adapt this same practice. So instead of opioids, they are recommended medical marijuana. Who stands to benefit, especially in Illinois? Cresco Labs. Guess what company they went to? Cresco Labs. So Cresco Labs, I predict them making a lot of money. Also, I want you guys to also go into Market Watch. Go to Market Watch, check out their financial statement. Check out, once you invest in marijuana, what I do, a best practice is spend $500 or more. I know a lot of people that spend $100, $200, and they're paying that $8 or whatever their broker fee is, and that can begin to add up. That can go towards your stock. So once you make a decision, you want to check out what is a long-term investment and what's a short-term investment. Cresco Lab is at 11-12, so to me it's a long-term investment. That once I spend at least $500 or more, and I keep it. So you want to avoid the mistakes of just keep trading, buy it off, sell it off, buy it, sell it, because that adds up. Also, I want to show you guys that once you put on your watch, this is how I have my watch list set up. I have my watch list set up with U.S. marijuana stocks. One of the things I'm trying to look for is that once the United States go legal federally, I want to see what the Canadian stocks are doing. I think Canada only has about 54 million people, which is a very low number. I think California has about that. So once the United States goes legal, I want to see what the Canada markets do. Will they go lower and will we go higher? So I have mine set up to where I have a U.S. stock market. Also, if you guys see on here, the only expensive stock I have is SMG, Scott's Miracle Grow. Normally, I keep it to where what I can afford to invest in. I also have penny stocks. I also have the expensive U.S. American stocks. And I have the Canadian American stocks. And I try to invest in all of them. One of the good things is that Cresco is still at a reasonable price. I predict that the only thing that they're going to do is go higher. And so therefore, they're definitely something I keep for the future. So again, invest at your own risk. Do your research. Go beyond a Google search. What you want to do is find out which states are legalizing marijuana. Find out which companies are in that state and who stands to profit the most. You're going to stumble across a lot of good marijuana stocks by doing a search like that. If you Google just marijuana stocks, you're going to get the same stuff that people are paid to blog about. That's what I think. So what I want you to do, I'm going to bring you guys a lot of companies that I feel are that are good investments as far as marijuana stocks. For those of you who are new to marijuana stocks, I'm going to bring you guys on how to invest and what to do first and what to look out for, mistakes people make. Anyway, I want you guys to like, comment, Ask me questions. Put them in the comments section. Peace. Peace.